Finally, after a year, nakapag-edit na din ako. Hi, I'm Lai and welcome to my life. Oy, na-miss ko yun. May lungs, nakaka-cringe pala. Anyway, disclaimer, magulat talaga yung mga videos since naisipan ko lang talaga sila pagsama-samahin. Wait, nakapampang. Anyway, kikip ko lang talaga to sa gallery ko pero I realize since 2017 nag-start ako mag-YouTube. Before, lagi ko na sinishare sa inyo na one day, gusto ko makapunta sa Eiffel Tower, Europe, and who would have thought that those imaginations and dreams would come true? I remember telling myself that when I start earning money someday, the first thing I'll save for is a trip to Europe. But reality hit me. For being employed, for doing YouTube before, becoming an affiliate, and e-commerce, nagbenta ng kung ano-ano just to save and achieve my dream. Finally, eto na yon. Fast forward, that moment, hinahatid na nila ako sa airport. Honestly, kabado 20 dahil mag-isa lang akong aalis. But this is a group tour naman. Thankfully, meron din akong mga nakasama na solo din sila, kaya kami na lang din yung mga nagsama-sama. Share ko lang din yung luggage cover ko. Yes, of course, meron siyang dog prints. That trip was almost 2 weeks long, kaya mamimiss ko yung mga fur babies sa bahay. Yan na din kasi yung matagal na mawawalay ako sa mga fur babies ko. Mawawalay yarn. Para akong nanay na iiwanan yung mga anak sa Pilipinas. Ganon ang atake. But when I got home, one of my fur babies left me. Parang inantay niya na lang talaga ako umuwi. Hoy, hindi natin maalala yon. After ko mag-celebrate ng birthday sa Europe, know the feeling na after mo sumaya, biglang may pain and sadness suddenly na nangyari. Anyway, mag-focus na lang muna tayo dito sa trip niya kasing kakabay ng vlogay niya. Ako nabalo, manang kay nga riyan. Fast forward, since yung unang layover namin sa Qatar and then after Qatar pa Milan na. I am blessed that God allowed me to go to other places too. Paris, France lang talaga yung hiningi ko kay Lord but He let me explore other parts of Europe pa. That was in Milan, Italy na. As soon as we landed in Milan, we went straight out to explore. At that point, I didn't feel tired at all. Basta super excited lang talaga yung nararamdaman ko back then. Of course, since nandyan na din naman tayo, bumili ako ng mga souvenirs. Especially yung rosary, bibigay ko sana yan sa lola ko. Share ko lang, pinarang ko kasi siya. I told her before na aalis ako, magtatrabaho na ako doon. Share ko lang ulit, wala din talaga silang alam sa pag-aasikaso ko sa visa at all. Kaya sinabi ko sa kanya, magtatrabaho ako doon nung paalis na ako. Nung paalis na kasi sa bahay, papuntang airport, doon na lang talaga ako nagsabi sa kanya na aalis nga ako. If I'm not mistaken, nasa airport ako, papasok ng aeroplano, before ako mag-airplane mode, nag-chat pa siya na good luck daw, sana maayos daw yung trabaho, kineme, gano'n. Talaga napaniwala ko yung lola ko na aalis talaga ako para magtrabaho. Pero don't worry, nung nandun na talaga ako sa Europe, doon ko sinabi na magta-travel lang talaga ako. Despite everything that happened, I'm happy that last year, she knew my dream of going to Europe had come true before she passed away. Because that same year, my lola also passed away. Yes, 2025 was such a roller coaster for me last year. I experienced so much joy and happiness, but it was also the year of saddest and most heartbreaking moments of my life. Super daming ganap, super daming nangyari talaga, kaya pardon me if ngayon lang talaga tong travel vlog na to. I realized this year, 2026 na, gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo since naging part naman din kayo since YT days pa. Lagi ko namang sinishare sa inyo nga na gusto ko pumunta one day dito sa Europe. Kaya I guess deserve ko naman talaga to i-share. This is one of the things I am most proud of because I achieved it with my own hard money. Honestly, before talagang I used to think I would never experience this. But looking back, I am truly blessed that the Lord made it possible for me. This is also a moment I want to share with you. While on the way to Switzerland, from Italy yon, we were traveling to Switzerland. At that moment, as you can see, super muni-muni pa ako dyan. Just enjoying the view. Super ganda kasi talaga nung dinadaanan namin. To be honest, namamangha na lang talaga ako dyan sa mga snow kahit na nakikita ko lang sila sa dinadaanan namin. Pero girl, look at that. First snow experience. Dati nagkikis-kis lang ako ng styro para maranasan ko yung pa-snow effect dyan. Pero look at that. Pardon me if it is sounds OA na. Pero paulit-ulit ko lang sinasabi, super happy ko that moment. Again, share ko lang na naman ulit. First visa ko kasi na in-applyan, denied. Before, nawalan na talaga ako ng pag-asa. And then, I asked God for another sign. And then, ayun, nag-re-apply ulit ako ng visa. Second attempt, visa approved. That moment, I also realized na Kaya pala, dinelay ni Lord yung pagpunta ko sa Europe kasi meron pala siyang mas magandang plano na ibibigay. Tamang-tama pa sa season nila that time. O, diba? Nakapag-snow pa si ate girl nyo. Kilig yarn. Anyway, nawala na ako. Pero, yung video na yan, yung stopover namin sa Mount Titlis, first cable car experience ko din yan. Anyway, nag-overshare na ako. Pero, sobrang happy ko lang talaga na nag-share ako. Kasi before, share ko lang, again, nagpunta kami sa Hong Kong and then pumunta nga kami ng Macau. Birthday ko din yon. And pupuntahan lang din namin yung Parisian Eiffel Tower sa Macau. That moment, sobrang happy na ako kasi akala ko, yun lang yung Eiffel Tower na pupuntahan ko. Masaya na ako doon since malaki yung Eiffel Tower din doon sa Macau. And sa Hong Kong, merong cable car doon. Pero, since first international travel namin magkakapatid, saktuhan lang talaga yung budget namin. Gustuhin man namin sumakay sa mga cable car, mga tourist attraction doon, pumunta. Hindi talaga namin nagawa since talagang parang gulong lang talaga yung pag-travel namin doon. Pero sobrang happy, sobrang memorable din nung trip na yon. Kaya ayan, sobrang happy ko na na-experience ko yung cable car nila dyan. And look at me, para akong bata na naglalaro namang snow dyan. Anyway, since naka-heater naman kami dyan, sakto naman, since sinabihan kasi kami nung travel agency na yung panahon that time sa Europe medyo malamig. Kaya naka-heater and patong-patong talaga yung mga damit na nakasuot back then sa amin. Pero hindi talaga namin expect na mag-snow talaga siya. Thankfully, sakto sa Switzerland, nag-snow. Kaya na-experience namin yung snow. Pangiti-ngiti lang ako dyan pero hindi nyo alam, nanginginig na yung buong katawan ko dyan. After cable car, dumiretso kami dito sa Glacier Cave. Naglibot lang kami dyan sa cave na nagyelo nga dyan. And ayan nga pala yung nakasama ko na isa na nag-solo travel din. Afterwards, dumiretso na kami dun sa mga pasalubong souvenir center. They told us na masarap daw yung mga chocolates nila dyan sa Switzerland. Of course, bumili na din ako ng souvenir and pasalubong. Balikbayan yarn. Dyan na lang din talaga ako halos bumili ng mga pasalubong. Of course, who would have thought, diba? Baka once in a lifetime moment to. Ha? Tama ba? Next naman, outfitan yarn. Nakasalamin pa yarn. Last day na namin dyan sa Switzerland and we will go to Germany. Before going to Germany, binaba muna kami dyan sa Rhine Falls para mag-take ng pictures. And look at that, nakaka-relax. Yes, diba sabi ko naman sa inyo, hindi ko nararamdaman yung pagod sa travel na to. Gala akong gala. Pagka-uwi ng Pinas, nga. Uy, at least happy. That moment, nasa Germany na kami dyan. Nag-tour lang sila dyan about sa Kuckuck Clock. Germany is famous for its Kuckuck Clocks. Diba? Ang cute, pero wala tayong pambili niyan. Kaya ayan, binili natin yung keychain ng Kuckuck Clocks. At least, may souvenir. And finally, ayan na yung araw na inaantay ko talaga. Because yung pinaka-last na pupuntahan namin, yung France, kung saan nandun yung Eiffel Tower. From Germany, we will go to France na. And fast forward sa mga clips natin, andyan na kami mismo sa France. Pero yung mismong location na yan, malayo pa talaga sa mismong Paris. If I'm not mistaken, Nancy, basta Colmar, yung place. Since nga mahaba-haba yung biyahe, nag-stop over muna kami dyan. Kasama sa itinerary, yung pumasyal dyan and mag-shopping. Before, I used to watch vloggers traveling to other countries and buying branded items. Look at the power of manifestation. Again, I am not bragging or anything. I'm just sharing how amazing life is. From I can't to I can. And I will keep going because life is truly amazing. Sobrang daming unexpected na mangyayari talaga because of Him. All glory to Him. Fast forward, ito na yung pinaka-inaantay ko and pinaka-highlight nung pinaka-tour namin. That moment, na-realize ko na yung 2 weeks pala, sobrang bilis lang. Before ako umalis, mag-travel, iniisip ko, sobrang tagal ng 2 weeks. Pero I was wrong. Sobrang bilis lahat ng mga pangyayari.
Nice meeting you.
Sige. These are the people I met on our travel trip. They are educated but super simple. Honestly, I was just amazed at how humble and down to earth they are. Honestly, nung mga nakakausap ko sila, Hindi talaga nila sinasabi na may isa pa doktor, board member. Meron din kami mga kasama na mga lawyer sa trip. But honestly, ayaw talaga nilang ipagsabi yun. Sobrang simple, kaya nakaka-amaze. And those are the kind of people I admire the most and truly look up to. Honestly, one thing, kaya sobrang happy and sobrang smooth ng travel because of them. Hindi ko na-fail na sobrang taas nila. Literally, sobrang simple talaga, as in, kahit ulit-ulit na ako. And because of them, mas lalo ko na-enjoy yung trip ko sa Europe. Before ako umalis, hindi yung takot na sobrang layo yung pupuntahan ko, kundi yung solo lang akong aalis, sino kaya mamimit ko or whatsoever. But just like what I've said, sobrang happy ko na sila yung nakasama ko sa travel. It was nice meeting them all. Hoy, tama na yung daming dadayan, no? Who would have thought na ma-experience ko to? All the hard work and silent battles are now making sense. It's all worth it. That moment, parang ayoko na talaga matapos yung araw. Girl, I'm so kilig that moment. Just always remember this. As long as you're not stepping on anyone to reach your dreams, keep going. God has many unexpected blessings. Just remember to listen to His will, not to those who are waiting for you to fail. I am glad na to have a few individuals who are happy to see me starting to reach my dreams. And of course, I am too. I will be still clapping and even prouder seeing them achieve their dreams as well. Exploring my dream country and buying my first bag, a birthday gift to myself that I never expected to happen. I hope you won't misunderstand the fulfillment and appreciation I feel for myself. Again, this is not a bragging video. It's an inspiration and a reminder that everything we once just imagined can come true. Let's continue to chase our dreams and keep moving forward in life because unexpected blessings always come our way. O siya, iso ng drama. Anyway, pauwi na din ako dyan. From France, Paris, layover sa Qatar. From Qatar to Manila na iya. O siya, if minabot ka kayo ni, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.